Kids to teen bedrooms feature three of the leading furniture manufacturers in the industry. Innovations is a solid wood bedroom furniture manufacturer located in Hartford, Connecticut, celebrating over 32 years in the business. They use Brazilian pine, a durable honey-colored wood, which has a straight grain and subdued growth ring pattern. It lends itself well to furniture construction and has a superior ability to hold screws. Brazilian pine is considered a hardwood, much more dense than traditional American yellow pine. Another leading manufacturer that kids to teen bedrooms features is Any Kids Schoolhouse. Today, Any Kids puts safety first. All of their products are designed to meet the highest voluntary and mandatory standards set forth by the American Society for Testing of Material and Consumer Product Safety Commission. It's one thing to offer youth products, but another to assure timely delivery. At Any Kids, they have spent the past 30 years developing an infrastructure to assure that all their products are available on a quick ship basis. Any Kids takes great pride in their ability to ship and service their products. Folks, just follow the links below to the Kids to Teen Bedrooms website for 20% printable coupons.